Hello guys, my name is CryptoSteph and welcome to my video about the daily Bitcoin price and the crypto markets technical analysis. First, please subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends, and also put a notification bell on if you don't want to miss any video updates for the crypto markets. Let's begin with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently it's over 9,000, and let the memes begin, like Kakarot, like the Vegeta who wants to beat Kakarot. The bulls want to put the bears into the sleeps and into hibernation mode. So currently, if you're trading the fractal system, this is your stop. You're stopped out, and if you short it from here, you're 8% in gain. The RSI is currently probably will be retesting the 50 level, and probably will get a rejection, or if we want to be bullish on this, we want to see a break of this trend line. So let's see if Bitcoin manages to go above 50. If it goes above 50, yeah, we're going to be bullish. So currently Bitcoin is making some kind of falling wedge structure and probably a descending falling wedge structure and a parallel channel. So your next resistance for this is 9,500, and that's weekly support. Also 9,300 is your next key resistance. And if we want to be bullish, I said in my previous video, I want to see a break of 10,000, and then we can see that this is a continuation pattern. But right now we are painting a high low, which is 8,600. So if it fails to go below 8,600, then this is a failed rally, and we can go lower from here. Currently the volume is descending, which tells me that this may be a failed rally, but we don't know. If you see from here and this, but this volume is not confirmed yet, so we can wait the daily close. And that's for Bitcoin. Let's see what software I'm using. I'm using HyperTrader, which is a great replacement if you want to use Binance and without API keys. There are many multi-platform management tools, but this I think is the best. It's still in beta, and the developers are very into developing the best software for crypto traders. Currently it's supporting Binance only for trading, but they will develop and support more exchanges in the future. So if you want to use it, I will put a referral code. You can use it and get $20 off your purchase. And that's about HyperTrader. Let's continue. What are the benefits of using? So if I'm using it for managing my clients' funds, as you can see that the only problem that it's not showing, it's ETH Bull, which I bought. I put some other coins, and also I am half on the futures. That's how I see the software, and they probably will support Binance margin in the future. And that's about HyperTrader. Let's see other coins. Currently the best coin which I have bought and traded was Kuti BTC. Kuti BTC, currently I have bought it from here and sold at here. That's about how much profit, about 70% profit. And currently I want to buy Kuti, and I think this will be the next best performing asset. Also next is VRX BTC, which also was supported on which the news came that Binance will that the Indian government is not legally obliged to ban cryptocurrency, and the Supreme Court outruled that rule. So that's for how I see VRX. I'm thinking that this is a 1, 2, 3 forming higher high than this high, and currently the crypto markets are going into some alt rally. Also, I have made place in Algo. So Algo, I have bought from here and sold it right here. That's 10% trading, and that's how I manage the client's fund. I don't use leverage. I trade only BTC pairs, and they gave great risk to reward, if you ask me. Also, which are the gainers for today? The gainers for today is ICX on Binance. ICX, let's see ICX what is doing. ICX is very interesting. So I always start drawing trend lines and see where the trend is. So currently it has broken this descending channel, and if ICX for this coin, the target for this is 0.74, and let's see where it is. So currently the previous distribution pattern. So here is your target for ICX 0.74, and so how much gain is that? 80% gain. So that's for ICX USDT. That is currently the biggest gainer right now, and the biggest loser, Kote and some bear tokens. So that's how I see the crypto markets. If you want me to continue for the daily updates, you can support me just by using the Patreon page which I set up, and you can see that I have 2 tiers, and that's how I plan to continue in the future. So that is your daily dose of update, and please, if you want me to continue, subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to pay, that is your choice, but please subscribe to my CryptoStacks channel, which we have 700 subscribers, and that is very great. And thank you for all who supports me and share this channel to your friends. See you next time.